Hey John, are you ready to go to the market?
Yes, I am. What do we need to buy?
We need to buy some vegetables, fruits, and groceries for the week.
Okay, sounds good. Do you have a list?
Yes, I do. Let me check. We need tomatoes, onions, garlic, carrots, potatoes, bananas, apples, bread, and milk.
Great. Is there anything else we need to buy?
No, I think that's it. We can add more things if we remember later.
Sure. How are we getting to the market?
We can take my car. It's parked outside.
All right. Let's go then.
So, how was your week, John? Anything new?
It was good. Just busy with work. But I did try a new recipe for dinner last night.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What did you make?
I made a spicy chicken curry with basmati rice. It turned out really delicious.
Hey, John, have you decided where you want to go on your next vacation?
Not yet. I was thinking of going to Europe, maybe Italy or France.
That sounds amazing. I've been to Italy before and the food there is delicious.
Yeah, I've heard the same thing. Do you have any recommendations for places to visit?
You should definitely visit Rome and Florence. The architecture and art there is incredible.
I'll add those to my list. What was your favorite part of Italy?
Speaking of role models, have you heard about the new book that came out about leadership?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's called The 5 Levels of Leadership and it talks about how to become a more effective leader in your personal and professional life.
That sounds interesting. I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, I already started reading it and it's been really helpful.
Hey, do you want to grab lunch after this?
Sure, where do you want to go?
There's a new Mexican restaurant that just opened up nearby. We could check it out.
That sounds good. I love Mexican food.
Great, let's go. Thanks for coming with me to the market today. It's always more fun with a friend.
So, have you heard back from that job you applied for?
Yeah, I did. I had an interview last week and I should be hearing back soon.
That's great. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks, I hope so. How about you? How's your job going?
It's going well. I just got promoted to a higher position, so I've been pretty busy.
Congratulations. That's a big achievement.
Thank you. It's been a lot of hard work, but it's worth it.
Actually, I do. My cousin is an interior designer and she's really good. I can give you her contact information.
That would be great. Thanks so much.
No problem. And if you ever need help with anything else, just let me know.
Same goes for you. If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for today. It was really nice catching up with you.
Same here. We should do it more often.
Definitely. Oh, and thanks for the recipe. I can't wait to try it out.
Let me know how it turns out.
Will do. Have a great week.
You know, I was thinking about it and I really appreciate our friendship. You've been there for me through the good times and the bad, and I hope you know that I'll always be here for you too.
Of course, John. I feel the same way. I'm grateful for our friendship too. As they hugged goodbye, John felt a sense of warmth and comfort in knowing that he had a true friend in Alia. He knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would face them together.